Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to notarize a document as a notary. First, you must verify the signer's identity using acceptable forms of identification, such as a government-issued ID with a photo and signature. Next, ensure the signer is willing and aware of the document's contents, confirming they are not under duress. Finally, complete the notarial certificate accurately and legibly, making sure all required fields are filled before proceeding with the act itself. Verifying identity is a crucial step. You should accept government-issued identification that includes a photograph and signature. Common examples include a driver's license, a state identification card, or a United States passport. Always record the identification type, the issuing agency, and the expiration date in your notary journal. This meticulous record-keeping protects both you and the signer, ensuring the integrity of the notarial act and adhering to legal requirements. Once identity is confirmed, you will perform the notarial act. If the document requires an oath or affirmation, administer it clearly and formally. Then, witness the signer's signature on the document. After the document is signed, you must affix your official notary seal and signature to the notarial certificate. Ensure your seal is clear and legible, and your signature matches the one on file with your commissioning authority, completing the legal requirements. Finally, meticulously record all details of the notarization in your notary journal. This includes the date, the type of notarial act performed, the title of the document, and the signer's name. This journal entry serves as a vital record of your official duties. You may also collect the appropriate notarial fee, which typically ranges between $5 and $15 per signature, depending on your jurisdiction's regulations, ensuring proper compensation for your service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.